Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify data sources with Tableau, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Tableau and launch a new workbook. Connect to your data source by clicking on Connect on the left side. Select the type of data source you want to use, such as Excel, CSV, or a database. Once the connection is established, load the dataset into Tableau. Examine the data preview in the Data Source tab. Ensure the columns and data types match what you expect. Look for any warning symbols that indicate potential issues with your data. Check for null values or any obvious inaccuracies in the dataset. Use the Data Interpreter feature if working with Excel files to clean up common formatting issues. Drag a few fields into the worksheet to create a simple visualization. Visualize data relationships to identify any inconsistencies. Utilize the Show History option to review changes made to your data connection. If applicable, validate data against original sources for accuracy. Create calculated fields to ensure data integrity is needed. Use filters to focus on specific segments of your data for in-depth analysis. Regularly save your workbook to avoid data loss. Review the final visualizations and insights gathered from the data analysis. Consider documenting your verification steps for future reference. Explore Tableau's community forums for additional tips and best practices. Remember, ongoing verification helps maintain data accuracy over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.